Assalamualaikum wabarakatuh, Mama.
Waalaikumsalam.
Where is Bhaiya? Alright. Bhaiya, why are you looking so sad?
I'm actually really bored and hungry.
So, eat some fruits or go to cycling.
No, I don't want to go cycling. I want to eat something yummy.
So do you want a sandwich?
No, I want something sugary or sweet.
You want a cake?
A cake?
Yes! Mom taught me to make a mug cake.
Oh, okay. So, let's go to the kitchen?
Yes! Let's do it, Bhaiya.
Yup. Friends, we are doing all of this work with adult supervision. So, if you want to try this at home, please make sure that you have an adult nearby. Adnan, what are the ingredients to make this awesome cake?
Bhaiya, we are gonna make healthy mug cake.
Oh.
So first, we are gonna add wheat flour 3 tablespoons, sugar 2 tablespoons, cocoa powder 2 tablespoons, then baking powder 1 to 4 teaspoons, then a pinch of salt, milk 3 tablespoons, then vanilla essence half teaspoon, melted butter 2 tablespoons. Bhaiya, I have kept the same ingredients for you. So follow me.
Okay, Adnan.
Take a mug. Then add some flour 3 tablespoons. Now we have to add some sugar 2 tablespoons. We have to add cocoa powder 2 tablespoons.
Which one is cocoa powder?
The brown one.
This one. Baking powder 2 tablespoons. Let's do that.
That's not baking powder, that's cocoa powder.
Okay, that's my mistake.
Now we have to add baking powder. So take this one, which is white.
Which one? This one? This one?
Yes.
Okay.
Just put it inside.
Okay. What's next?
Then we have to add salt. A pinch of salt.
Where is salt?
This is salt.
This much?
A pinch.
Okay. Let's put a bit of salt. What's next?
Mix well.
Mix well. Okay. Mine is gonna be better than yours.
It has to be light brown. See, mine. It also
Okay,
becomes
whatever.
light brown. All right.
What's next?
Now milk 3 tablespoons.
Which one? Oh, this is milk, right?
Yes.
Yeah. I'm so scared. I think I would do something. Let's put that easy. Yeah. Beautiful. Yes. Yeah. Let's do that.
That's enough. Oh, I'll clean the slab right now.
I told you mine is gonna be better than yours.
Hey, don't do.
Sorry.
Now add vanilla essence. Half teaspoon.
Okay.
Be careful.
Oh, it is looking so blackish.
Yes. Now it will turn black after some minutes. Some. Now melted butter.
Okay.
Be careful. Be careful. Now mix well.
Again, the mixing montage. Oh.
Hey, come on, don't be a baby.
Mama, who's better?
Both are good.
Okay.
And if you wonder why this is going down, it will of course go down because we have to test put it in the microwave for 90 seconds. So it will just come up.
Is it gonna be tasting like real cake?
Yes, it's gonna be tastier than a real cake. Now our batter is ready.
Yo!
Now microwave for 90 seconds.
Can I also put with you?
Alright.
Okay.
I'll keep it there. Alright.
Which one is mine? Okay.
Now we will do it for 90 seconds of course.
Bro, should I tell you a joke I just learned yesterday?
Okay.
Okay. You guys also listen. It's a really funny joke. Okay. What did a janitor say when he came out of the cupboard?
What did he say?
Supplies!
Okay.
You get it? It's like surprise and supplies. Janitor. Yeah. I just learned it yesterday.
Bhaiya, it's only 4,
3, 2, 1. This is mine.
and this is mine.
Oh. Bro, I love ice cream. So can we put ice cream on this?
Of course, yes. What flavor do you like?
Strawberry.
Oh, I like strawberry too. Let's add it. Now add.
You have more.
It's alright.
Okay. Can we garnish it?
Okay. You take a pinch.
Wow.
See this? And enough. It's tasting time. Okay. Alright.
That is so good.
Thank you so much, Adnan, for making me this.
Please like, share and subscribe.
I hope you guys loved the video.
तो मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज. दुआ में याद रखिएगा.
Allah Hafiz.